Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course in the description, which covers all the parameters and weightage related to UI UX and overall design quality. I will add the link in the description, you can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a diploma in UI UX course by Lakhotia College of Design, and it is placed in Hyderabad, and it's a 6 months intensive program course. And if we go with the key highlights, they will providing you 100% placement opportunities and internship opportunities. Portfolio development is there, hands-on training is there, real-time projects is also there. And if we go down, it's a 6 month duration, and modules covered are introduction, user research, wireframing. Wireframing is an important part they have covered. Prototyping is also an important part in the UX UI field. And if we go with the responsive mobile design is there. UI tools and softwares are Figma, XP, Photoshop, Illustrator. Visual design branding is there, real-time project is there, internship support is also there. So they didn't mention any proper knowledge about the tools and softwares they are going to teach you. Like many AI tools are missing. AI tools is important for future-oriented UI UX course like Invasion, Framer, Miro, FigJam, etc. And these are the career path after completion of course. UX writing, UI designer, UX designer, and all. And rest, nothing else. They didn't show any portfolio work by their student or any testimonials. So let's give a rating according to these parameters. Curriculum is 0 0.5 for me. User research fundamental is also a 0 0.5 for me. UI design quality is also again 0 0.5 for me. Hands-on project is not there. Case study is not there, so it's a 0 for me. Tools and training is again 0 0.5 for me because the AI tools in the mentorship and feedback is also 0 as they didn't provide any feedback on mentorship related to guidance on UI UX. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 1 for me. Placement and career support is there, 1 for me. Course values is fees. According to course value, it has 0 0.5 for me. And again, if we go with the industrial update, balance update, it's again 0 0.5 for me, and they didn't cover AI tools, and it is not future oriented. So if we count all, it's a 5.5 out of 10. So it's an average course. Like I will tell again, like many courses are there which covered all the parameters are there in the market. According to this course, you can go with this course, but I will recommend a better course. According to my recommendation, I will add a best UI UX course in the description, which cover the parameters and cover the weightage related to placement opportunities, mentorship support, and career support, which did a value and according to fees, and also make up tools and software trainings, UI design quality, and user and research fundamentals. You can definitely check that course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Also, if you have any query in the UI UX course or any tools knowledge, you can definitely drop a comment. I will help you guys. Thank you.